Today we will discuss functions in Python. So first of all we will see the syntax of the Python. So let's see this. For example, we have to print hello on the screen. So run the program. As you can see that nothing is printed on the screen because we are not calling that function. So I have to call that function. So you can see that hello is printed on the screen. Now let's take another example of printing any number on the output window. So we have to pass some arguments. So print that argument. So now pass the argument in the function. You can see that 6 is printed on the output terminal. Now let's try another example of product of two number. For example, let's take K and L. So return the value of product K static L. Now we have to pass two numbers in the arguments. So let's pass 6 and 1, 6 and 3 and run the program. So you can see that 18 is printed on the output terminal. Now let's take another example of adding two numbers. So return the sum of two numbers. So pass the arguments in the function 6 and 5. So you can see that 11 is printed on the screen. Now let's do some bigger project. For example, average of a list of numbers. So we are passing list in the argument function. For average we have to divide the sum of all numbers and the length of that number. So sum of list and length of that list. So now we have to initialize that list, some numbers, and now call that function with the arguments. Show the average of list on the terminal window. You can see that there is some error. We have to change the number of you can see that average is displayed in the output window.